This is the story about how I designed, 3D modeled, and fabricated my very own custom lounge chair. One of the inspirations for this chair came from the EKG kettle. I became obsessed with the detail of this handle and how it fluidly intersected. My objective for this project is to experiment with mortise and tenon joinery, and use this handle form to abstract it into the frame of the chair. The idea is to have the intersection serve as the main hub that braces all of the appendages together. One of the hardest joints will be this cantilevering seat arm and the shallow angle of the front foot. The design is risky, but I think it's worth a shot. I am strategically subdividing the chair's appendages into smaller pieces and connecting them together using mortise and tenon joinery. This will allow for a sturdy construction and seamless look. For this project, I'll be using a Shaper Origin handheld CNC router and 3/4 inch solid mahogany. I started by laying out and cutting all the pieces. This was the longest and most intense step, requiring multiple passes to get the cleanest and most precise cut. I was super impressed by the Shaper Origin's speed and accuracy. I fell in love with the texture, color, and natural sheen of this mahogany. The striation reminded me of some sort of silky fur. Once all the pieces were cut, I performed a fit test to ensure that all the intersection joints were flushed. Seeing the frame come together for the first time was so rewarding. Next, I used the workstation to precisely orient, clamp, and mill each and every piece from the chair leg to the bridge. This machine needs to be calibrated and programmed with specific data in order to get the optimum precision, which is around 1/100th of an inch, which is insane. Here the router is milling out a mortise, the hole that the tenon on the leg will slide into. Now comes the icing on the cake, or should I say wood glue on the joints? No, but really, time for the final assembly of this bad boy. The idea behind the canvas upholstery is to have it serve as a stretched, rigid structure in tension and mold to your body on contact. It also serves to wrap and conceal the wood rods holding both of the frames together. This process involved wrapping and measuring where the stitching seams would land. Now, for a final full assembly to ensure that all the intersections are working nicely together. Success! Now, for the moment you've been waiting for.